if you invite a friend to go to the movies with you, and they say, "I'm down for it," what do they mean? If they say, "I'm up for it," is the meaning different? I'm Gordon Morse, your Natural English coach, and I'm here to help. If you ask a friend if they want to go to the movies, and they say, "I'm down for it," it means they want to go. It's the same thing as saying, "Yes, I want to," but in a natural, casual way. "I'm up for it" has the exact same meaning in this context. Even though up and down are usually opposites, that meaning doesn't really apply to these idioms. It's just one more example of why English can be a real pain to learn sometimes. We can use these phrases in more forms than just "I'm up for it" and "I'm down for it." We can incorporate or include them in questions as well. Are you down to go skiing this weekend? Yes, I'm down. Are you still up to go camping next week? Yes, I'm still up for it. Notice how the reply to the first sentence removes the words "for it," but the reply to the second sentence does not. Just replying "I'm down" still keeps the meaning of the phrase, even in a shortened form. But "I'm up" can be a bit more confusing. This is probably because "I'm up" is also a casual way to say "I'm awake now." It likely evolved from the phrase "wake up." It's probably important to note that even though it would follow the grammatical logic, we can't say "wake down" to mean "go to sleep." But maybe if you say it enough, the phrase will catch on and you'll change the language. The point is, you need to say the full phrase "I'm up for it" to avoid confusion. When you don't have a specific activity to ask about, you can still use these phrases. You can ask someone, "What are you up for?" or "What are you down for?" in order to get their opinion on what activity they want to do or what option they are interested in. You could use these phrases when you and your friend go to an amusement park and you want to know which attractions or rides they want to go on. If they don't have a strong opinion or all options are okay for them, they could say, "I'm up for anything," or "I'm down for anything." Let's have some practice time. Imagine you're visiting an amusement park with a friend. Ask them if they are up to or down to do some of the example rides or attractions shown here. If you have any questions about today's topic or want me to make another video about a tricky part of English conversation, leave a comment below. Also, if you're interested in getting a totally free natural English assessment from me, follow the link to the right. I'll see you next time for another lesson.